What's up guys, welcome to today's video. So it has been 5 days I think since I last filmed. I went out of town and I went in support of my brother and stuff. He moved to a city that's quite far away, so I'm back in town now, but I'm about to pop into the 881 Crew shop. Oh, a Drift Easy car just pulled up. I think that's Justin Dubé. But anyway, so I'm about to pop into the shop right now. There's a barbecue going on, and then after that I think we're going drifting. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Here we go.
Hold on, it's busted some UK grime. I wouldn't stand there. It might blow up in your face. Yeah. This thing is really bad shape. You're so sorry.
Yeah! It's gonna send itself to Jesus.
Yeah, I think so. What chain slap sounds like. Oh no. We don't need to run any longer, JC.
So we're just leaving the barbecue right now. Me and Evan are in the truck. We got the truck loaded up with tires. I don't have the S15 right now because it's still leaking a bunch of fluid, as you guys saw. And I don't know if I showed that in the last video, but it's leaking a bunch of trans fluid everywhere. So I'm just gonna probably go and watch tonight and hang out with the lads. So drifting, let's go. Evan just pulled in. Mark's rolling off his tires, and we're about to go out for some rips. So Fear just got here. Everyone's pulling in, so we're gonna start drifting here in a minute. There's a good crowd out today, so we'll see what happens.
Because it has methanol.
last filmed, but Ophir's car hit 30 pounds of boost. The boost controller T, I think something's wrong with it, or something with the wastegate. I'm not really sure. I didn't really take a good look at it, but it sounds like some of the guys are saying either wastegate or boost controller, but either way, it is what it is. He's still gonna drive, just gonna feather it, because if it spikes at like 30 pounds for like a sec, it's not a huge deal, but if you're like laying into 30 pounds for a while, that's when you're gonna start hurting shit. But we're just waiting for this trucker to leave here. There's just a truck right there. And then they're going back out. So I think I'm gonna try and get a camera in one of the cars, but my GoPro mount broke, so I'd have to get in the car if I want to do that.
This is about to be nuts, man. I'm standing inside.
Yeah, get inside the poles, boys. Yeah.
This is a pole.
Brandon's like, wait for me, guys. Hey, hey.
Cheesy sounds in.
He is really fucking good. Stacked up, let's go! He's trying to do a 360 entry.
He's gonna really grow up there. He needs to start from the highway. He needs that speed.
Yeah, you need a lot of fucking...
Come on! Too much pressure.
what the fuck to film. There's so much happening. Oh my god. What do I film? Starting to peace out right now. JC's doing his last lap, I think. Yeah, I think. Okay. Yeah, I think JC's doing his last lap right now, or last like lap or two, and then we're gonna head back to the shop, unload, and that'll probably be the end of the night. Because everyone else, all the pro cars are gone, and everyone else is loading up. So, all right, guys, we're just leaving the shop right now. Oh. I'm so dead. I'm so exhausted. Holy shit. It is. What time is it anyways? Ugh. It's 11:25. Leaving here right now. I drove like 8 hours today. Yeah, it was a long day. But yeah, other than that, it was a fun one, I gotta say. It turned out to be a really fun night. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And hope you guys have a good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. And yeah, peace.